5-minute calming guided meditation. Gently close down your eyes. Focus your attention on your breath, the rise and the fall of your chest. Bring your awareness to the here and now. Calm the body and calm the mind. This is your time, the gift for yourself. And after these next few moments, you will feel more calm and relaxed than ever before. You may notice thoughts coming and going, and that's okay. That's perfectly normal. Do not judge yourself. Recognize when your mind has gone astray and lovingly bring it back to your breath, the rhythmic rise and fall of your chest. Breathe in deeply and fully release. Let it all go, all tension, all worry, all frustrations. Breathe in deeply again. And release. Good. I want you to imagine a beautiful, calming lavender energy making its way all the way through your body. It's like a funnel that comes in through the top of your head and circulates through every cell, every joint, every muscle and ligament. And as this energy passes through, you feel a release. You may sigh if you need to. Envision this energy now. Relax your face. Relax your jaw. Relax your eyebrows. Now, as you breathe in and out, visualize this lavender energy moving in through your chest and out through your chest. Beautiful lavender, calming, peaceful, yet perfectly energizing. In and out. In and out. Feel the release of tension. Relax your shoulders. Relax the palms of your hands. Relax your neck. Repeat after me, out loud or to yourself. I am calm. I am peaceful. I am relaxed. I choose the thoughts that I think. Therefore, I choose how I feel. And I choose to be calm. Well done. I'll meet you back here tomorrow for our next meditation.